Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite Excel channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical skill, calculating hours between two times. Whether you're tracking work hours, billing clients, or managing project timelines, mastering this will save you tons of time. I'll walk you through 3 real-world examples, step by step, with clear tables and pro tips. Let's get started. Let's start with the fundamentals. Imagine you're managing a coffee shop, and your barista, Maria, works from 7:30 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. Let's calculate her total hours step by step. Click on cell A2, type 7:30 a.m. Why this matters? Excel interprets AM, PM as time values. Avoid typing 7:30 without M. Excel might mistake it for 7 hours and 30 minutes if your regional settings use 24-hour time. Move to cell B2 and type 3:45 p.m. Use a colon between hours and minutes. Typing 3:45 p.m. will cause errors. Click on cell C2, type equals B2A2. What's happening here? Excel stores times as fractions of a 24-hour day. For example, 7:30 a.m. is 0.31 to 5. It means 7.5 hours divided by 24. Press enter. The result might look like 0.34375 a decimal or 8:15 a.m. a time. If you see a decimal or time value, right-click on cell C2, then click Format Cells, select Custom. In the Type field, type 1 format code. This format displays total hours beyond 24. Now, let's tackle a common headache, overnight shifts. Imagine your security guard, Alex, clocks in at 10 p.m. and clocks out at 6:30 a.m. A simple subtraction might break. Here's how to fix it step by step. Click on cell A3, type 10 p.m. Why this matters? Excel uses a 24-hour clock internally. 10 p.m. is stored as 22 o'clock. If your region uses a 24-hour format, you can type 22 o'clock directly. Move to cell B3 and type 6:30 a.m. If you accidentally type 6:30 p.m., Excel will calculate a 20.5-hour shift instead of 8.5 hours. In cell C3, type equals B3A3 and press enter. Result: hash or minus 0.6458, a negative decimal. What's happening? Excel treats 10 p.m. as 0.916722 divided by 24. 6:30 a.m. is 0.2708. It means that 6.5 divided by 24. 0.2708 subtract 0.9167 equals minus 0.6459, which Excel can't display as a time. Let's use the mod function to handle negative or hash results. Type equals mod B3A3, 1 in C3, press enter. The decimal 0.354 appears. Right-click C3, click on Format Cells, select Custom. In that Type field, type 1 format code. And click OK. The cell now shows 8:30, and that's how you master time calculations in Excel. From basic shifts to complex timesheets, you're now equipped to handle it all. Try these examples, tweak them for your needs, and let Excel do the heavy lifting. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.